Hey y'all, welcome back to another exciting episode of Will It Griddle. Today we're going to attempt cookies! Sea salt caramel chocolate chunk cookie dough. Made with loads of chocolate chunks and caramel, real butter, and a hint of sea salt. Place and bake. Last time I tried cookies, they had the cool crisp, the skin, the bark from the griddle, which was awesome. They don't rise, so you have to keep that into account, but they were tasty. They still were ooey gooey on the inside, which we all love, ooey gooey, right? We'll see how these turn out if I can open the package. Oh, look, it just tears open. Sorry. So, they're already ooey gooey. My lovely assistant is advised, she's an incredible baker. She suggested that I let these warm up to room temperature first. So, they're room temperature now. And here we go, ooey gooey. I have this set on completely low because since I don't know what I'm doing, well, I guess I could break them apart. And we do want to get them cooked all the way through. And something that I did with the cinnamon biscuits, cinnamon buns, and a lot of other bready things. I squashed them. Oh, I squashed them. So maybe we should squash these to provide more contact. Maybe I should have used parchment paper, because, ew, look what I've done. Is that you, Baja? Okay. I definitely need to use parchment paper. So, let me get a piece of parchment paper, and I'll be right back. And welcome back. We have parchment paper, not wax, parchment. These are already starting to get melty from the time it took me to get inside. Look at that. Maybe I can maneuver a little, rearrange without running too much. No guarantees. It's even sticking to the parchment because there's already cookie on it. Maybe these last couple, turn them inside out. You turn them inside out, round and round, inside out. So, I'm creating smash burgers, except they're cookies. That wasn't my plan, but it's working out that way. If I'd done this while they were still not hot, this would have worked. Keep that in mind if you ever try. Maybe I smashed too hard. Hulk smash! Okay, that was a disaster. But how else am I going to learn? Right, Baja? Okay, so we have gooey smashed cookie dough all over the place. If you like to lick the spoon, good. So that's still roly-poly. I've seen a lot of people complain online about the shells and their bottles melting if you stick them too close to the griddle. My advice, don't put plastic next to the griddle. Sorry, that's just my 2 cents. That's why my bottles are over here. Look at that, it's starting to bubble up. It's actually starting to puff a little now. That's a good sign, right? I would think, right? If they'd let me, I'd turn them over. In fact, if I domed them, they would probably even confectionate. Here's a piece that's almost solid. So these ones are, since I squished them, they are puffing up. Or at least as much as I can after I squished them and tore them to pieces. But doesn't that look yummy? Ooey gooey. They're still too soft to turn. I don't want them to burn. It's good stuff. What's that, Baja? You'd like me to throw the ball? It's looking ooey gooey. I have to shave off my tip here. That's inorganic material. That will help. Maybe. Oh yeah. So it's definitely time to flip as much as you can on something that's ooey gooey. So, the big thing's just figuring out the technique. And I'm not there yet. But look at this. It's going to be ooey and gooey and crispy. Oh, crust. That's the word I was looking for when I started. The crust from the griddle. It's getting the crust. Didn't it look good? But I'm going to turn, I did turn off the griddle and let them keep cooking. Yum. Oh yeah. So let's try to scrape up what's left of our dignity. And this was actually a bigger mess than the chocolate chip cookies I tried that were already flat. or square or something. This would be awesome on vanilla ice cream. Cookie crumble on vanilla ice cream. Okay, that's it. Now we have to go to the store and get ice cream, and it's all your fault. The things I do for you people. The sacrifices I make. And okay, let's borrow this. Dump that there. So, I believe these are going to taste awesome. They're just going to be an ooey gooey mess, and I still have to work on the technique. But I'll get it. May even put a baking rack, so it's on indirect heat. What do you think? Think that would do it? It's a possibility. Okay. So this will take me a while to clean too, as you can see. But there's the ooey gooey disaster that's really delicious. It just doesn't look that way. And now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go buy some ice cream. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.